Ever sat through a long Telegram voice message and wished you could just get to the point faster? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to speed up Telegram voice messages so you can consume information in less time, keep your conversations moving, and even save a little bit of sanity. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly adjust playback speeds, whether you're on your phone or the desktop app, and how to make every message work better for you. All right, let's dive right in. First things first. Whenever you receive a voice message on Telegram, the obvious starting point is to actually listen to it. To do this, find the voice message in your chat and simply click on the play button. It's usually a little triangle icon, pretty similar to what you see on audio players everywhere. Once you hit play, you'll notice the message starts playing and you'll see a waveform moving across, representing the audio. This is your starting canvas. Now here, where things get interesting. As the voice message starts playing, keep an eye out for a small button or indicator right on the top or side of the waveform. It commonly says something like 1x or 2x. This little button is your gateway to faster or slower listening. The 1x means the audio is playing at regular speed, but sometimes the message just rambles or maybe the speaker talks slower than you'd like. That's when upping the pace saves you time and keeps you from zoning out. To change the speed, just tap or click on the speed indicator. Every time you tap, it cycles through a selection of speeds. It might go to 1.5x, bumping things up by 50%, or all the way to 2x, which is double speed. You might also notice 0.5x, which slows down the audio if you want to catch every detail. For instance, if someone's talking quickly or there's background noise you're struggling to hear through. Don't worry about making a mistake here. The changes are instant, and you can always cycle back to the speed that feels comfortable. If you're on Telegram's desktop app, there's a neat little trick for even more control. Instead of just clicking, try pressing and holding the speed button. With this, you'll get a menu popping up showing more precise speed increments. Sometimes it lets you pick exactly 0.5x, 1x, 1.5x, or 2x, so you're not stuck with just one or two choices. This is ideal if you're trying to find the sweet spot for comprehension and time. Maybe you want to zip through Office updates at double speed, or slow things down for instructions that are a bit complex. The extra control here really shines if you listen to a lot of varied content. One thing to keep in mind, when you're cycling through the speeds, the voice might sound a bit funny at higher rates. Don't worry if it takes a moment to get used to. Most people's ears adjust quickly, and before long, you'll wonder how you ever managed at regular speed. And if the message is important or emotional, you can always return to normal speed to really soak it in. Give it a try next time you're catching up on messages. And if you get stuck or don't see the speed controls, make sure your Telegram app is up to date, as features do get added in new releases. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button below. Drop a comment if you have any questions or if you have your own tips for mastering Telegram voice messages. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another how-to video. I've got plenty more hacks and tutorials coming up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.